guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you these awesome coffee mugs by Mora Ceramics. They are just so nice and simple, but also add a little something to your house. I'm going to show you them up close. So these are the coffee mugs in action. They are really a nice, simple cup, and each of them is a different color. So I wanted you to appreciate all the colors lined up. We've got a tan, a gray, kind of a brownish pinkish, and then a deeper color. Here, you can see a little bit of sparkle in there. This is smooth and shiny. And this is, it's a little bit rough on the bottom, but that bottom is the same on every single mug, even though the color on the top changes. And the inside of the cups, looking nice. So I recommend this for anybody's house. I highly recommend them, but that's just my point of view.